Hello everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. It's a vlogging series on future project. Beginning of the year. This is the first week of January, the first video of the year for my vlogging. I hope everyone had a great Christmas and New Year's and so forth. I do pin up at least once a month due to the fact that they do eat up a lot of resin and eats up a lot of paint. But before we start that, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord. Thank you guys very much for your support. So we did a pinup of Uzuki's wants to hang out as the anime, and this is her mother for it. And this is pretty heavy. It is really big. Size comparison to my head. It is huge. So it eats up a lot of resin. And we got some pinups for each of the month that's happening right now. And the shorts for this will be up soon on this channel in a week or so. But I usually post a lot of the shorts early on TikTok and Instagram and Thread. This got so many damn views, not even painted. I mean, just regular, gray resin, freaking blew up 52,000 K and so forth. It sucks. I'm happy, and it also sucks because Twitter will be gone in a week, week and a half. So all that growth was for nothing. But I'm going to try to switch them back to YouTube for a lot of the reasons for it. But we got some big old paintings. I got a whole bunch of waifu on the walls. Uh, Ashley hates it. But I got Ashley to paint as well. There'll be a lot of shorts of her now on. Hopefully, an actual video of her actually painting as well. She is painting Naname right now. She already finished a nurse and a pyramid head. I also printed a Zero Suit Samus, Luca, um, for Dragon, Miss Kobayashi Dragon Maid. And we also got some Shy Girl as well. So there'll be a lot more stuff, pinups. I will say once or twice a month. Right now it's once a month because resin is ridiculously expensive. Let's see here. I think 1 kilogram is about $20-$30. This takes about 2 kilograms of resin, even hollow. 2 kilogram of resin, and this thing weighs about at least 2 pounds or more for it. It's just a lot of stuff you cannot hollow out, especially the base, because if you hollow out majority of the base, you will her thick thighs and boobs will break the chair. And many reasons as well. I got some funny ass comments like if you guys want me to like raffle some of these pinups or D&D figures or Warhammer figures I have 3D printed and painted, let me know down in the comments. I don't mind raffling it up. If I raffle it up, it's probably gonna be going through Patreon for like $1 per person per raffle for the stuff. But we will see how what the people think and people really want. I know that big boobs or a sexualized character do get views and sell a lot, but there are, I have a lot. My wife don't mind it. She also have a lot of sexualized characters as well, especially males. I print out. I'm gonna print out a naked Gojo for her and other things. It doesn't really bother us. We're not jealous types or any of that thing as well. I think jealousy is just freaking overrated in many different ways as well. We are halfway done through the Tomb Kings miniatures. Then after Tomb King's done, we'll be doing the Bertoli. I do want to get finished all the old world done and over with because I have a lot of back miniatures of Age of Sigmars. Especially I did the magazine of the Stormbringer magazine, and I'm keep getting a lot of orcs and Stormbringers as well. And I need to paint a lot of them and put them away in the closet where all my miniatures at, and then I can start working on more 40k army because I do want to do battles of sisters. I got a lot of orcs to do. I got some Tyranids, and we got some Nurgle stuff as well. I think I got one more Blood Angel army, Dante. I gotta paint, but that's pretty much it. I think after all these are done, I'm thinking of just printing majority of my armies, due to the fact that Warhammer miniatures, their plastics are ridiculously expensive, and a lot of their models are hit or miss. Especially the Slanesh army I want to build. Uh, don't really like the look of it, and a lot of the people that make Slanesh armies look a hell of a lot better than what Games Workshop is. It's supposed to be like lust and sexualized and stuff like that. And also there's a different armies I can print for Sound Marines as well that are look pretty damn good for it. We are still doing a lot of D&D prints and painting some of the old ones that's in plastic and pewter as well. Those videos are going to be going up. If you guys do want to support us with a bigger budget, Patreon is probably the best bet for us to buy more resin, material, paint, because all this stuff is expensive. Like someone literally want me to print him this, and I told him it will cost them about $95 plus shipping, due to the fact that $45 to $50 resin alone to print this, but you also gotta count electricity, the cleaning solution, electricity for the curing. Then I gotta sand it. Then I gotta bubble wrap it. Bubble wrap's not expensive. Bubble wrap is expensive, and also box it. Then I gotta ship it. So every time I print and sell stuff, it's how much it's gonna cost to print it times two. A lot of times people do times three. A lot of restaurant market they do times three, but I do times two because I don't really need. I just want a little bit, not a lot, to get this stuff done. If you guys want me to bring back the shop to sell prints again, please let me know. I might bring back Etsy. Due to the reason why I didn't want to do much of Etsy is just that I'm keep getting attacked by corporation, even though it is fan made, and I got the rights to sell it. It just became more of a pain in the ass with Etsy. I might have find a different place to print stuff for it. A lot of files you can find this file on Etsy for really cheap, or you can find a creator of it and support them directly. I do prefer you to go to the actual creator who actually made it and support them to make more of these delicious files and STLs as well. So we have done the chariots, the war sphinx I 3D printed, the necro dragon with the lich, and we got a lot more stuff. And my bird just fell down. Don't know why, but I will glue it back. And we have a lot of stuff on my table that I need to get rid of. Not get rid of, but clean up. Usually I have a big pile of dust painted, then I go in the garage and varnish it, then I gotta make space upstairs in the closet, and starting to have not that many space now, and need to make the garage another hoarding solution for many of these things. But it is a very expensive hobby. And I thank you guys for giving me your comments and sharing what you like, what you don't like, and what we can do next, and so forth of that as well. Well, anyhow, I wish you guys the first week of the year. Good luck, and I will talk to you guys later. Subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget, all the links are down below as well. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Bye.